A warm good evening to all. I am Sajit of Grade 10 is here to present a short experiment of the topic dissection of hibiscus. In this image, you can clearly see the cross section of a flower, that is the parts of the flower. The parts are petal, stem, sepal, ovary, anther, style, stigma, filament. So, these are the parts of the hibiscus which we are going to display it on a paper. Before we go into the video, I would like to explain what are stamens and pistils. Stamens and pistils are the reproductive part of a flower which contain the germ cell. Stamen is the male reproductive part and it produces pollen grains that are yellowish in color. The yellowish powder that often sticks to our hand if we touch the stamen of a flower. And the pistil is present in the center of the flower and it is the female reproductive part of the hibiscus. It is made up of three parts that are the ovary at the bottom and the style at the middle and the top at the stigma. The ovary contains ovules and each ovule has an egg. When the male germ cell, that is the pollen grains, fuses with the female gamete present in the ovule, the fusion of the germ cell or fertilization gives us the zygote, which is capable of growing into a new plant. So, once it is fused, the ovary will become a seed. So, once the seed falls on the ground, it develops as a plant. So, in every plant, this process of fusion takes place to give out a new plant. So, in this video, I am going to show the parts by dissecting a hibiscus flower. Let's go to the video. For dissecting a hibiscus, I am going to use the blade, needle and the scissor. First, the sepals are removed first. Next, the petals are removed next. The style of the flower is split open. This is the ovary. Now we have took the pollen tube attached with stigma. This is the stage. The is opened to reveal the tiny ovules. I think you can see clearly that these are the tiny ovules. Each ovule has the egg cell. We can remove the unwanted part. This is the ovary with ovule. These are the ovules. If you keep this ovule in the microscope, you can clearly see the eggs in it. So, this is how you all should do for the experiment of dissecting of a hibiscus. I hope you all would have enjoyed and understand the concepts clearly. Now, let's see the parts of the hibiscus that we displayed it on the paper. So, here I have attached the dissection of hibiscus. This is the petals. And these are the sepals. The petals and sepals are the non-reproductive parts of the hibiscus. And this is tail. And this is stigma, pollen tube, ovary, and here the anther and the filament. The tail, pollen tube, stigma, and ovary are the female reproductive parts of the hibiscus, which together forms the pistil, and the anther and filament, which together forms the stamen. I hope you all would have understand and enjoy the concepts clearly. Here you can see the full image of the parts of the hibiscus. Thank you for giving me this great opportunity to express our talents. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.